Assalamualaikum dear students, welcome to parkedu.tv. In last video I discussed gluconeogenesis and factors that affect the rate of gluconeogenesis. Today I am going to start discussion of essentials of medical biochemistry, a most recommended book for allied health sciences and doctor of physical therapy. So today I will start chapter number 3 of essentials of medical biochemistry by Mushtaq Ahmed, volume number 1. Okay, so we start chapter number 3, that is carbohydrate journal aspects. Okay, so without wasting our time, we proceed to our topic, that is carbohydrates. In this topic I will just discuss, in this video I will just discuss introduction to carbohydrates. So as you can see on screen, that carbohydrates are composed of two words. The first word is carbon, okay, and the second one is hydrated. So the literal meaning of carbohydrates becomes hydrated carbons. So hydrated carbons are called carbohydrates. Okay, in carbohydrates two type of functional groups are formed. Okay, carbohyड्रेट्स में दो तरह के फंक्शनल ग्रुप्स पाए जाते हैं. वन इज एल्डिहाइडिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप एंड सेकंड वन इज ketonic functional group. Okay, both aldehydic and ketonic functional groups are called carbonyl group. Okay, दोनों को मिला के carbonyl group कहते हैं. Okay, what is the functional group? The word that is difficult and must be discussed here. What is the functional group? Functional group is the most active part of organic compounds on which all the characteristics of organic compounds depend. Okay, तो फंक्शनल ग्रुप जो है वो पार्ट है ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड का जो कि मोस्ट एक्टिव होता है, ठीक है, जिस पे तमाम तर करेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स की डिपेंड कर रही होती है. ओके, अगर एल्डिहाइडिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप की बात करें तो इसमें कार्बन की टेट्रा वैलेंसी कुछ इस तरह सेटिस्फाई की जाती है कि कार्बन फॉर्म्स डबल बॉन्ड विद ऑक्सीजन, वन बॉन्ड विद हाइड्रोजन एंड वन बॉन्ड इज empty, and here any alkyl group is attached. But in case of ketonic group, carbon forms double bond with oxygen and two alkyl groups are attached on either sides of the carbon. Okay, here the word alkyl is required to be discussed. Okay, alkyl group is a group that is formed by a removal of one hydrogen atom from the terminal of alkanes. Okay, अगर अल्केन के टर्मिनल हाइड्रोजन, ठीक है, टर्मिनल कार्बन से हाइड्रोजन को निकाल दिया जाए तो एक हाइड्रोजन के निकालने से जो कंपाउंड बनता है उसे अल्काइल ग्रुप कहते हैं, और जो कंपाउंड बनता है उसे अल्काइल कंपाउंड कहते हैं. जैसा कि मीथेन है, मीथेन में से एक हाइड्रोजन अगर निकाल दिया जाए तो जो बाकी बचेगा उसे मिथाइल कहेंगे. इथेन में से एक हाइड्रोजन निकाल दिया जाए तो बाकी जो बचेगा वो अल्काइल ग्रुप होगा और उसका नाम इथाइल होता है. ओके, सम features related to these functional groups are also necessary to be discussed in this lecture. That is aldehydic group is always present at the end of carbon chain in carbohydrates. ठीक है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स में एल्डिहाइडिक फंक्शनल ग्रुप हमेशा टर्मिनल कार्बन वाला ही होता है. ठीक है, जो टर्मिनल कार्बन है, ठीक है, टर्मिनल कार्बन डोनेट्स एल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप. ठीक है, एल्डिहाइडिक ग्रुप कैन नीदर बी इनसाइड द कार्बन चेन. ओके, इट इज ऑलवेज प्रेजेंट एट द extreme end carbon of carbohydrate carbon chain. Okay, uh, if we discuss carbohydrate group, uh, ketonic group, it is always present inside the carbon chain, and it is neither at the it is never at the end of the carbon chain in case of carbohydrates. Okay, in carbohydrates, all the carbon atoms have hydroxyl groups except functional group carbon. Okay, फंक्शनल ग्रुप मतलब एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन फंक्शनल ग्रुप रखने वाली कार्बन के अलावा तमाम कार्बन एटम्स जो है उन पर हाइड्रोक्सल ग्रुप्स अटैच होते हैं. ओके, carbohydrates are the heterogeneous group of compounds in animals and plants, means different categories of compounds combine to form carbohydrates. So we say that carbohydrates are the heterogeneous group of compounds. Okay, and the most important thing that is necessary to be discussed is that carbohydrates are the most abundant biomolecules that occur on the surface of earth. As we have already discussed that polysaccharides are the most abundant carbohydrates, and in polysaccharide, one of the type cellulose, one of the example cellulose is the most abundant carbohydrate in nature. Okay, if we have polysaccharide, cellulose, or the carbohydrates, one of these options in MCQ, and the question is the most important, most abundant biomolecule on the surface of earth, then we will choose either of the option that is given in the question. Okay, and carbohydrates form 1% of the human body weight. So human body weight is made up of carbohydrates, that is only 1% participation by carbohydrates. Okay, the general formula for carbohydrates is CnH2O taken in this general formula we can see that the ratio between hydrogen and oxygen is like that of water. Okay, but it is not always true. There are some exceptions, some such examples in which ratio between hydrogen and oxygen is not similar to water, like deoxyribose, that is a 5 corner pentose sugar present in DNA molecule. In this carbohydrate, oxygen from carbon number 2 is removed. That's why the word deoxy comes before it, and the name DNA is formed due to this reason, because one oxygen is missing and this oxygen is removed from carbon number 2 of ribose sugar. Okay, so ribose name is replaced with deoxyribose because one of the oxygen from carbon number 2 of ribose is removed. So its general formula is C5, so its molecular formula is C5H10O4, and in this case ratio of hydrogen to oxygen is not similar to that of water. Okay, the number of carbon atoms in carbohydrates vary from 3 to many thousands. Okay, the least count is 3 carbon atoms. Okay, but it may maximum up to hundreds, thousands, and in million, trillions. Okay, some other elements except besides carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are also present in carbohydrates, like nitrogen, phosphorus, and sulfur. These are the some elements that are also part of carbohydrates along with carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. The word carbohydrate The word carbohydrate is taken from a word saccharides, that means sugar, or that is a thing that is sweet in taste is called saccharide. So carbohydrates, some of the carbohydrates, especially monosaccharides, are sweet in taste. In next video we will discuss classification of carbohydrates. uh, so if you want to take latest notifications for biochemistry lectures, so subscribe parkedu.tv and press bell icon to get uh, these lectures easily. Thank you so much.